I'm Nick Mastrantonio. I am the CNC Programmer operator here at Thompson Pump, and we are working with the Eurotech Stallion B1250. And what we have here are our rotary pumps. It's urethane that is molded around a piece of 3.5-inch steel. We machine both ends, machine the urethane, and cut keyways all in one setup. So when the part comes out of the machine, it is a completed part. So the original way this part was made was in multiple operations. They would lathe turn one end, flip it, lathe turn the second end, and then to cut their keyways, they would go into a milling machine, actually cut the keyways on the shaft. So 3 operations down to literally 1 with the Eurotech. We have 4 different part numbers. We're able to machine all 4 parts by just doing a simple program change. We have 4 different programs, so when we switch to another part of it, a couple keystrokes, and then we load up the next program, and off we go with the new part. So the Stallion has made it so that I can do literally all of this myself. 1 operation, 1 operator. It running the way it's running now, it frees me up to do things like get other materials in place, inspect, deburr, and I'm also able to have time to check oil levels, coolant levels. Can run pretty much unattended except for one section in the program where we have to actually measure and document some numbers and make an offset change. Other than that, she can run by herself.